Wow. Good afternoon, good evening, and welcome. We're playing simple games today. So we've been Fair Valley Gap. Um, right. As you can see, days, days, bit, trick. Yeah. Yeah, so we've got basically we've got six Fair Valley Gap. So we've got the MMQ, the Mares, TL, the MCC, the M. Basically, well, I've actually been in and out all day. Noon. But yeah, these are all 5 minute starts. Mark this. There, yeah. These are we'll be taking down on this. Um, Bitcoin. A following not traded today. These are this fair value. Oh, We won't hear. But yeah, I'm using no indicators other than these. I've got trading to green, two, and broke. So they're all good. Silver day, big. So yeah. So anyway, not sure how the audio is. Try and get it going. Right. Let's just see if that's made any difference at all. Okay. Right. Let's just see if that's made any difference at all. Right. Okay. I think we've got the audio nailed now. So all these up here. So we missed the boat on that. I'm not really happy with that. It hasn't really filled. It got close, but it hasn't touched. These again, they're not really the perfect setup. The perfect setup was on Bitcoin. That was a lovely trade, which would be nice. But we'll just sit and wait and see how we get on. So this is where things become a bit of a gamble for me. This is where I get bored. This is where I have to fight the urge to randomly take trade, fall back into old Dan. We don't want to fall back into old Dan. We want new Dan. New Dan is a good Dan. Yeah. Because this is where I'll be like going, well, this is quite clearly short. We've got a double bottom here. That's quite nice. That we all like, support, resistance. Like, yeah, where's it go? It is bound to bounce up there and what, head back down. I mean, double bottom for tech formation, above the neckline. So technically, you would be looking for an entry here. So I can mark it by.
Order filled.
Oh, that's where I want order. So we got a buy order in, which I didn't want to do. Well, may as well stick a stop down here. 10 ticks. So yeah, so we got kind of a double bottom here. That's your neckline. So it breaks above there. It's a new trend. I think we're going to get stopped out here, which is fine because that wasn't part of the deal. So yeah, I don't have any other indicators on this. There we go. We're at 8 ticks. Going to get banged out. Well, why didn't I? That's why I'm in a practice account today. A bit woolly. Up here. Here's
order filled.
There you go. There's your 10. That wasn't meant to be what we'd. That wasn't what we're meant to be trading today. Go to $45 today. This is quite nice here. Look, draw a lovely line through there. Nice bit of consolidation. Gonna look for a 3-bar reversal, maybe. What's gonna happen here? Okay, nice. Nice bit of wickiness here. See all this going on. It's waiting to do something. So yeah, having 6 charts up definitely helps. It is incredibly slow. So we have one of trades. The Bitcoin dropped down to this fair value gap. It did go through there, and it looked like it was going to sort this one out. So we got a nice touch. We're now 22 ticks in the green. We've got 50 tick stop loss. So I'll be moving that up, I think, in a bit. But it looks like it's just a nice touch and go. See, have a look at the 100 tick chart, 1,000 tick chart. See, that is a big, but I think we're going to be good. So we're 25 ticks good. So once we get to 50 ticks up, we're going to move our stop loss to break even, +1, really break even. And then just kind of see how we go, really. As you can see, it's slow day today, even tick up slow. Right. It's patchy. There's not much liquidity. This is a 30-second chart. Nice touch to value gap. Straight 50%. We're now 33 ticks in the green. So we're on, this is a 30-second. 32 ticks. 5, get to 50, we'll go to 1 to 1. My take profit all the way up to 150, because that'd be 3 to 1 risk reward. You like it, yeah. Like an ash candle as well. Look at that. 51 ticks. Boom. Right. We're now 53 ticks. So we've got a 5 tick. We're making 5 ticks on this Bitcoin trade. There we go. Look at that. I drew that line in there earlier. Where I thought it was going to bounce. It did. But 46 tick. So we're probably, there is a chance that that could be. Back we go. We're at 1 to 1. We may as well do a ding-a-ling. Let's see how this goes. 62 ticks, bang, we are ripping straight through that FVG. So we're going to move up again. 42 ticks. What a trade. Absolute to the tick. To the tick. Three tick. So quite a big rejection. I am playing a little bit safe with this. 1-to-1 risk reward if this touches my stop. But we are expecting it to pull back a little bit.
Order filled.
Okay, so that's banged our stop. So we made about 55 bucks on that, which is bad, is it? So we're now going to see what's going to happen here. So we've had another fair value created here, potentially. Let's get that back into normal candles and back to the 5 normal candles. Thank you. And we'll go back to the 5-minute chart. So that here we go. So we have now filled that liquidity gap because we broke through it. This now is an inverse fair value gap. So we really would want to put on a stop sell of 1 halfway, just down there. I think, let me have a close. So we've gone up, we have touched it. Did touch that. No, this will probably carry on. Sorry, once we dealt with. I'm happy with that. Thank you. Being able to, my original exit was around here, but I've taken a 1-to-1 on it, which is fine. This is not doing anything. We've got a fair value forming here, just here, see, between there and there, but we're just going to wait and see what that happens. This will be a bullish. There's nothing here like this. I got this one pretty good. There's also a nice fair value gap right there. Yes. Anything else happening here? We do have. Oh, need to rule that. This and this one hasn't been dealt with yet. Are we going for a touch up here? Going for a touch, are we? Nasdaq throwing all sorts of. It is the Nasdaq chart for fair value gaps on the MNQ. I've got all these. Right there, touch. That's finished. That hasn't been touched. Right, that's already been dealt with. That's already been dealt with. These would have all been lovely little trades. Got a tiny little fair value gap created there. Yes. Looking good. So, what's going on? It is incredibly slow tonight. I'm not holding out. There you go. We didn't get a fill there. That's still not doing anything. Oh dear. It is hard work tonight. Right, okay, let's have a look. I'm probably going to last another 20 minutes on this live stream because I am struggling. This is incredibly tiring. $106 on 2 trades. In brilliant. But the market. It is slow. Nice. Nice risk reward though. Quite happy with that. Hmm. That was nice. Yeah. Nice profit factor as well. Quite happy with that. Right. Oh, still would have been a pretty good move. We're going to go and sweep this liquidity here. Inbound. Yeah. Nice. Just curious, just to see Takanashi. Anyone else use Takanashi candles? Really like. Seem to get work well enough. I mean, it makes it look pretty. Quite difficult. I haven't managed to trade them successfully. I'm always looking for trend continuation, really. Oh dear, never quite got to that. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Oh, a nice bounce that. Nice, nice support level. Same with here. Look at this. Look at this level here. Through there. Water resistance zone. Broken through it. Same through there as well. Come back down. Right. Another double bottom by period there. Double bottom, but calling it. Yeah. Oh, come on. Have you bored yet? Is anyone actually watching this live stream? That's probably one person. That's probably me. God, nothing really is happening, is it? Got power hour happening in a bit. And there's that going nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. really is not going anywhere. This has worked out as I planned. This has actually stagnated not far away from where I got out, so I'm not that worried. This hasn't happened. This is just a support and resistance line. Along with that one. Oh, what happened there? I don't really. I don't know what's going on. Any of that. All that. Yeah, that was support and resistance. Well, so we're kind of getting there, but it is slow running today. These fair value gap, that fair value gap there has now been filled quite nicely. The little one there as well, which has been filled quite nicely. Just these haven't been. Annoying trade. But this trade here that annoys me is an old Dan trade. We don't want old Dan. Old Dan's not profitable. New Dan is. New Dan. So, yeah. It is quite interesting. She's going nowhere. We're slowly creeping up. Same with this one. Same with Bitcoin. So you may be wondering why I live stream to one person. And it kind of like journaling. I used to do it before when this account was all about Bitcoin. But now I do it so I can watch back my trades and kind of easy content. It kind of makes me better, makes me accountable, and my mentor watches these back as well and tells me off for being a dick or being nonsense. So yeah, it's kind of why I do it really. I used to get quite a lot of hate on my Betfair videos, but I stopped posting because of the hate, and people didn't believe the money we were making. So yeah, we did quite well out of Betfair. Still do quite well out, but different fish. So yeah, that's kind of where we are. But Black Hat is now going to financial markets. We like trading candlesticks. We like the fact that the market cannot be pushed around by the likes of Peter Webb. We like the fact that the market is what the market is. So yeah, that's why we kind of do it. And I will be doing live streams pretty much every time I come to trade. They may only be 10 minutes long, maybe only be 2 minutes long, but I think every time I trade, I think I'm just going to turn it up now. I've got my audio sorted. That's helping. That's helping a lot. Is desperately slow though. Won't be trading tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, we're quite happy with our progress. It is slow. Right, we've been streaming for 1 hour, and we did one clunky trade because I clicked the wrong button, which was wrong. We did one lovely trade, and we predicted another trade almost to the tick. So quite happy, really. Don't be greedy, be grateful, and all that nonsense. So I think I'm going to end the live stream there because I am tired. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me drone on. And hopefully you will have a lovely day and a happy new year and all that sort of stuff. And we'll catch you in the future. So yeah, ciao for now. Bye.